Hello, I'm Rebecca from the Employee Benefits team at ASI, your independent employee benefits and insurance advisor. Medical expenses can be strenuous on the pocket and put a dent on your savings, which is why we are constantly looking for ways to save you money. Did you know that you can maximize your tax refund by claiming medical costs from SARS? Here's how. A medical scheme contribution tax credit, also known as an MTC, is a rebate that is non-refundable and is used to reduce the normal tax a person pays. Previously, medical scheme contributions were deducted against income. The medical tax credit system now provides for a monthly credit against your tax owing to the South African Revenue Services. If you and your dependents belong to a medical scheme, then you will receive a 319 Rand medical tax credit every month in 2021 and 322 Rand in 2022 for the first 2 members on the membership, and a further 215 Rand in 2021 and 224 Rand in 2022 every month for every other dependent on the same membership. The credit will automatically be deducted by your employer off your tax payable to SARS should your employer pay your medical scheme contribution. It is important that you have your tax certificate from your medical scheme to complete the medical section of your annual tax return. The medical scheme tax certificate details how much was paid to the medical aid for you and your dependents over the course of the tax year, 1 March 2020 to the end of February 2021. It also lists how much money you paid for other medical expenses, such as medicines and doctor's visits, which you claimed for but your medical aid did not cover. You should also take note that if you submit all your medical expenses to your medical aid, the amount for these out-of-pocket medical expenses is normally reflected on your tax certificate from the medical scheme as either claims not paid or not recovered from the scheme, or amount not reimbursed, including any part of a claim not paid. The amount you claim for will not include incurred expenses that you did not submit to your medical scheme. This is why it is important that you continue to submit your claims paid out of pocket to your medical scheme, even when your medical savings account or limits are depleted. In this way, these out-of-pocket expenses will reflect on your medical scheme tax certificate at the end of the tax year. SARS has restrictions on what qualifies as out-of-pocket medical expenses. Therefore, I advise that you consult your tax practitioner when submitting your tax return. This information is important for your tax return and can improve your chances of getting a tax refund when you submit your return to SARS. Remember to discuss this with your tax consultant when submitting your annual tax return to SARS. Our team of advisors is ready to provide you with independent, bespoke advice on how to maximize your medical aid benefits on your tax return. If you have any questions, please reach out to us by booking a virtual consultation on our website www.assegai.co.za. Alternatively, email queries@assegai.co.za or call 011 029 6123. Remember to follow us on our social media channels and stay updated on the latest insights on optimizing your employee benefits. ASI, building wealth, changing lives.